Hi, today I want to show you how to look older with makeup. First of all, I use a liquid contour to hide roundness and fullness. I contour my cheekbones, under my chin, my forehead, and my nose. I just apply the product creating these points and then I'm going to blend them. I start sculpting my cheekbones, blending the product. I proceed also making some rotation movements. With the same brush, I blend also under my chin and near my neck, on my forehead. While for the nose, I use a little brush to blend the contour. This is an eyeshadow blending brush, and this will help to make a thinner nose. I also add a little bit of highlighter because this will make my nose seem thinner. The next step is to use a darker pencil. So you have to use a dark eyebrow pencil. I use this brown because I'm blonde, but you can use also the black one if you have darker hair. Let's add some mascara. I use a black mascara. I've already had a little bit of mascara on my lashes, but I'm going to add it more and intensify the look. Complete the makeup with a dark lipstick, and this is the before, and this is the after.